everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be eating in a day. I am on a fitness journey to be a more healthier, more vibrant me, so I'm taking you along for the journey and I hope you can find some inspiration in the video, so let's get into it.
So for breakfast I had a green smoothie. I have a frozen banana, frozen strawberries, frozen mangoes, frozen pineapples, and one green apple. I only used half of the green apple. I'm also going to be using fresh squeezed orange juice in this dairy-free mango yogurt by Califia. So I'm adding 1 cup of the orange juice and about 2 cups of fresh spinach. And then I'm adding all the fruit. So I'm just adding a capful of the yogurt. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ground chia seed and ground flaxseed into the smoothie. I added some water to thin it out a little bit. You can add more water or more orange juice, whichever you prefer. I also had some toast with this sprouted power bread, which is my favorite bread right now. I spreaded some apple butter on it. This stuff is so good. My sister found it at Whole Foods. It's just organic apples and organic apple juice concentrate. It's really good with dairy-free butter. That's how I normally eat it, but I didn't have any, so I'm just going to be using the apple butter by itself.
So I just made these raw vegan brownies for my next video.
So for lunch I had a delicious veggie pizza. So for the pizza I'm slicing up 1 zucchini, a half a red pepper, and a half a green pepper. Along with a half of yellow onion, I'm going to add some oil to the pan and let it saute. While that's cooking, I'm slicing up some mushrooms. I removed the veggies from the pan and now I'm adding some sea salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder to it. I'm now adding the mushrooms to the pan, and once they cook down I added some sea salt and some ground black pepper. I'm now adding a little oil to the pizza pan and dusting a little whole wheat flour on the top. I got this pizza dough from Trader Joe's. I'm just using a cup to roll it out and spread it out evenly across the pan. I also got this pizza sauce from Trader Joe's. I like extra sauce on my pizza, so I'm using the entire thing. Now I'm just adding all the toppings to the pizza, and I'm going to bake it at 400 for 15 minutes. Now I'm just adding some fresh spinach, some nutritional yeast, and some red hot sauce.
I don't even need the vegan cheese that I normally use because nutritional yeast gives it that cheesy flavor.
For dinner, I had a teriyaki bowl. I'm starting off by dicing up 1 russet potato and 1 sweet potato. I'm adding some garlic powder and some black pepper and a little bit of oil. And I'm going to let it bake at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, I'm slicing up half a green pepper, half a red pepper, and half a yellow onion. And then I'm just going to sauté it in the pan. Once the peppers and onions were done cooking, I added 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Now I'm adding some cremini mushrooms to the pan, and once they cook down, I'm going to add some sea salt and black pepper. I then cut a half block of extra firm tofu into cubes and added some ground black pepper and garlic powder. I cooked it on both sides until it was crispy. I'm now adding all the veggies to the pan, along with some Panda Express Mandarin teriyaki sauce, about 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and some sriracha.
Well, that concludes everything that I ate today. If you try anything, try the pizza because that was absolutely delicious. And that was my first time having pizza without the vegan cheese because normally I use the Trader Joe's cheese with the Miyoko's cheese or the Trader Joe's and the Diet cheese mixed together, but it was really good with just the nutritional yeast, some hot sauce on the top, and roasted veggies, so sauteed veggies. So yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.